Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. When you're ready, click on the microphone icon at the top next to the gear one. If it's not visible, select the gear icon instead. Scroll down and click on Voice Input. Then tap on Samsung or Google One. When you finished, go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Then start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to pause it, hit this button with a microphone. And then to continue, tap on it again. If you want to go back completely to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!